Have you ever poured your creativity and effort into building a distinctive brand, only to spot someone else using something remarkably similar, threatening your unique identity? Protecting your brand's identity is crucial for its long-term success and continued value. When you suspect a trademark violation, the most important step is to systematically record all the relevant details. This thorough documentation forms the essential backbone of any action you might need to take to defend your brand against unauthorized use. Without solid, verifiable evidence, proving infringement becomes incredibly difficult in the eyes of the law. Your detailed records provide a clear, chronological narrative of the alleged misuse, helping to demonstrate intent, scope, and the impact to legal professionals and potentially in court. It is how you legally establish your claim and the harm done to your distinct brand. So, how do you effectively record these suspected violations? First, carefully identify the infringing mark itself. Note its exact appearance, including any accompanying words, logos, or designs, and how closely it resembles your registered trademark. Next, gather specific dates and times when you first observed and subsequently re-observed the violation. Pinpoint the precise locations of the alleged infringement, whether it is a physical store, an event, or online platforms such as websites, social media channels, or marketplaces. For online instances, taking dated screenshots is absolutely essential. Capture the full web page, including the URL and timestamp to preserve the context. If the violation involves a physical product, take clear, well-lit photographs from multiple angles, ensuring the infringing mark is clearly visible. If feasible and safe to do so, consider purchasing a sample of the product. This provides tangible evidence. Crucially, document the context of its use. Is it prominently displayed on a product label, integrated into advertising campaigns, featured on social media posts, or used to identify a service? What specific product or service is being offered alongside this infringing mark? This context is vital because it helps determine if there is a likelihood of confusion among consumers, which is a key legal factor in trademark infringement cases. Furthermore, record any potential damages or confusion you directly observe. This might include customer inquiries mistaking the other brand for yours, negative reviews directed at your company due to the infringing product, or even a direct financial impact on your sales. Maintain a consistent, chronological log of all observations, perhaps in a dedicated digital file or a physical notebook. Ensure each entry explicitly includes the date, the exact time, the source of the information such as a specific URL, and a brief description of what you observed. An insider tip for enhancing the strength of your evidence is to pay very close attention to metadata. When you capture a screenshot or take a photograph using your digital device, the file itself often contains embedded information like the exact date, time, and sometimes even the geographical location where the evidence was captured. This automatically generated data provides irrefutable proof of when and where the evidence was collected, significantly strengthening its credibility in any legal discussion. Additionally, briefly describe how the alleged infringer's use impacts your brand's reputation, distinctiveness, or goodwill in the market. By meticulously documenting every single aspect of a suspected trademark violation, you are not just keeping basic records. You are actively building a robust and defensible case to protect your valuable intellectual property. This proactive and detailed approach empowers you to enforce your trademark rights effectively, safeguarding your brand's integrity, its unique identity, and its overall value for the long term.